Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I made a very quick delicious jollof rice recipe. This jollof rice recipe is very quick and fast to prepare because you don't have to fry anything here. You're not frying your tomatoes, you're not frying anything, you're frying nothing. Watch the video to the end, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would like to have you as my family here on YouTube. Making this jollof rice recipe, I'll be using this 4 onions, both for the meat and for the rice making. I'll go ahead and blend the onions and the ginger and garlic all together. I'll go ahead now and season the meat. I'll be leaving everything which I use in seasoning this beef in the description below. Here are the tomatoes and the peppers which I'll be using in making this jollof rice. I'll go ahead and roughly blend them all together and set them aside for use later. This meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the meat has released lots of juice. So I will go ahead now and add in some more water for me to have enough broth which I'll be using in cooking this jollof rice. After about 25 minutes, the meat is all done because I checked off camera. So here now I'm removing all the meat from the water, the broth. So I'll set the meat aside, which I'll be frying later in this video. In a bigger pot, I'm transferring in the meat broth with which I'll be cooking the jollof rice. Next, I'm adding in some cooking ingredients. So the first thing I'm adding here are the crayfish, all the blended onions, spices, which I'll be listing in the description box. I will stir everything to combine well and add in some salt and cover the pot to leave this to come to a boil. While waiting for the meat broth with which I'll cook the rice to boil, I'll go ahead and fry the beef. So frying the beef, I just added some onions to flavor the oil. When the meat is golden brown like this, it is all done and will be taken out of the oil. The water to make the rice is all boiling, so I'll go ahead and add in parboiled rice. Next, roughly blended tomato will go in, and finally I'm stirring everything to allow the rice to cook. Here the water in the rice has cooked down. I'm going ahead to add this smoked fish. Next, I'm adding this finely sliced onions. I'll go ahead and cover the pot so as to allow these onions and this fish to marry together with this rice.